Welcome back to Dinedost.in tutorials. Now we will learn about reservations. If a customer wanted to make a reservation according their party, size and time through phone call, first you go to reservations, click new reservation, enter date, enter party size, choose type of meal, select time slot, enter if they have any special request, enter customer details and click reserve. This is how you reserve a table via call. Now we will see how customers can reserve their table through our website. First, they will go to your custom link address and click on top right menu button. Select book a table, submit their details like when, party size, type of meal and time slot. They will enter if they want any special request. In order to reserve their table, customer needs to give their details like email, name and phone number and click continue. After completing reservation process, both restaurant admin and customer will get emails with reservation details. You can manage your reservations here, you can assign table, and you can see customer details. This is how we take reservations using Dinedost.in. See you again. Cheers.